What are the Simanim for kosher animals in the Torah? Imagine walking through a marketplace and trying to tell which animals are fit for a kosher meal. How do you know which ones are acceptable? The Torah provides clear signs, called Simanim, to help us identify kosher animals. These signs are based on the principles laid out in the Torah, which is the foundation of Kashrut laws. Understanding these signs helps us follow the commandments and keep kosher properly. For land animals, the Torah specifies two main Simanim. First, the animal must chew its cud. This means it must have a stomach divided into four chambers, allowing it to bring up food to chew again. Second, it must have fully split hooves, meaning the hooves are divided into two distinct parts. Both signs must be present for the animal to be kosher. For example, cows and deer have both signs, so they are kosher. Pigs have split hooves but do not chew cud, so they are not kosher. Camels chew cud but do not have split hooves, so they are also not kosher. These signs are straightforward and easy to observe. When it comes to birds, the Torah does not give a simple list of signs like it does for land animals. Instead, it lists certain birds that are forbidden, implying that all others are permitted. However, the Mishnah and Talmud introduce for Simanim to identify kosher birds. First, the bird must not be a predator, meaning it does not hunt other animals for food. Second, it should have an extra claw on its foot, which is a distinctive physical feature. Third, it must have a crop, a pouch in the throat used for storing food. Fourth, it should have a gizzard that can be peeled, which is a sign of a kosher bird. If a bird has all four signs, it is definitely kosher. If it has some but not all, then tradition and reliable transmission, called Mesorah, help determine its status. For fish, the Torah states that only those with fins and scales are kosher. Fish lacking either fins or scales are not permitted. This is a simple and clear sign that helps us identify kosher fish easily. In summary, the Torah provides specific signs for land animals, such as chewing cud and having split hooves. For birds, the signs include the absence of predatory behavior, an extra claw, a crop, and a peelable gizzard, with tradition playing a role. For fish, fins and scales are the key indicators. These Simanim from the Torah basis of Kashrut, laws for animals, and guide us in keeping kosher. Recognizing these signs helps us follow the commandments and maintain the integrity of our dietary practices.